Is it time to buy or sell SoFi stock? In this video, we will delve into the details of SoFi. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 14th of March, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You won't want to miss any critical updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by exploring our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Leverage the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 19th of February, 2025, our system has ranked SoFi as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 3.53. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. The stock experienced a loss of 25.28%. This translates to an average loss of 1.40% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating further downward movement may occur. The present 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 17% over the coming 3 months, with a possible return ranging from a decrease of 25% to an increase of 11%. In terms of the long-term outlook, our 12-month analysis projects a change of around 126%. Our calculations imply that the stock's performance could vary from an increase of 112% to an increase of 266% over the next year. In current terms, this would suggest a future price between $25.68 and $44.24. Our latest daily update for SoFi includes the headline, "Strong day for SoFi stock price on Friday, rising 6.15% to $12.09. The SoFi stock price gained 6.15% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 14th of March, 2025, rising from $11.39 to $12.09. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated 4.39%, reaching a low of $11.61 and a high of $12.12. The price has shown volatility during this period, and there has been a 16.45% loss over the last 2 weeks. The trading volume decreased on the last day by 530,000 shares, with a total of 37 million shares exchanged for approximately $450,770,000. It is important to consider that a decrease in volume amid rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as a warning about potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $18.42, while the lowest was $6.01. Currently, the price is 34.36%, or $6.33, below the 52-week high, and 57.22%, or $16.17, below the all-time high reached on the 1st of February, 2021, when the price peaked at $28.26. SoFi Technologies has been making headlines recently amid a broader market correction, with the Standard & Poor's 500 and NASDAQ indices taking significant hits. Despite this volatility, SoFi's stock remains a focal point for investors. On the 13th of March, SoFi secured a critical agreement with Blue Owl Capital, allowing access to up to $5 billion for expanding its loan platform. This strategic move underscores the growing trend of consumers shifting from traditional banks to fintech solutions, positioning SoFi advantageously in an evolving financial landscape. Moreover, SoFi recently announced a 12% monthly distribution for its Enhanced Yield Exchange Traded Fund, which could attract yield-seeking investors, enhancing its market presence. Analysts highlight SoFi's aggressive growth strategy. Its cross-selling initiatives and expanding product offerings are expected to drive profitability and market share in the long term. However, investor sentiment may be affected by recent high-profile sell-offs, including Cathie Wood reducing her stake in SoFi. This could prompt cautious trading in the short term. Overall, while market conditions remain tumultuous, SoFi's proactive measures and solid growth indicators suggest potential resilience. In the short term, fluctuations may arise, but the long-term outlook appears promising, making it a noteworthy consideration for growth-oriented investors. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 14th of January 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned SOFI a buy rating accompanied by a hold action. On Friday, the 3rd of January, 2025, it was noted that Deutsche Bank provided SOFI with a hold rating alongside a hold action. On Thursday, the 19th of December, 2024, it was reported that Morgan Stanley rated SOFI as underweight with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 10th of December, 2024, it was indicated that Jefferies offered SOFI a buy rating with a hold action. On Monday, the 9th of December, 2024, it was reported that Bank of America Securities assigned SOFI a underperform rating with a downgrade action. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to SOFI stock. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio as a sell and the price-to-book ratio as a strong sell. However, for return on investment, analysts have given the stock a buy rating. The following signals have been identified for SOFI. There are mixed signals in the stock today. The SOFI stock shows a buy signal from the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, this results in a general sell signal for the stock, creating a more negative outlook. If the stock gains further, it will face resistance from the long-term moving average at $14.51. Conversely, if it declines, there is some support from the short-term average at $11.84. A breakout above the long-term average would generate another buy signal, while a dip below the short-term average would produce an additional sell signal, thereby reinforcing the overall negative signal. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Monday, March 10th, 2025, and so far it has risen by 8.14%. Further increases are expected until a new top pivot is identified. Volume decreased during the last trading day, despite rising prices. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. The stock should be monitored closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots show a buy signal from 5 days ago. Bollinger Bands suggest a buy signal from 10 days ago. The short-term moving average displays a buy signal from 2 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 18 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages signaled a buy 28 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we find the short moving average showed a sell signal 18 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a sell signal 11 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 5 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for SOFI. SOFI finds support from accumulated volume at $11.92, and this level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be expected when the support is being tested. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility, and with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated 510 cents between its high and low, which is a change of 4.39%. For the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 7%. Before we dive into the potential good trading levels for SOFI, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. This PE ratio is relatively normal and often observed in companies with long histories or predictable revenue streams. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 5th of May, 2025. Analyst consensus estimates stand at 4 cents. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SOFI. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SOFI is at $13.09. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SOFI encounters its first support level at $11.92. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for SOFI from various analyst sources indicates a sell recommendation. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 10th of March, 2025, Noto Anthony made an insider purchase of 1,027,983 shares of restricted stock unit. On the same date, Keo Kelly conducted an insider purchase of 209,082 shares of restricted stock unit. Also on the 10th of March, Pinto Arun performed an insider purchase of 182,946 shares of restricted stock unit. On that date, LaPointe Christopher executed an insider purchase of 365,892 shares of restricted stock unit. Finally, on the same day, Simcox Stephen carried out an insider purchase of 104,541 shares of restricted stock unit. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 49.256. In total, insiders acquired 11,315,505 shares, while selling 32,893,468 shares in these last 100 trades. Our assessment of this stock is unfavorable, and a stop loss has not been established. Is SOFI stock a good buy? SOFI presents several negative indicators, leading us to believe that it will likely continue to perform weakly in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative outlook on this stock. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 17th of March, we anticipate SOFI will open lower by 15 cents, starting at $11.94. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money. It is important to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. You should not base your investment choices solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.